I want to talk about virtualization, a way to reduce the consumption, again, the number of servers you buy in order to do the job. And basically, in terms of the IT industry, the last 10, 15 years, a lot of work has been done by companies like Intel Corporation to try to basically fit more transistors in a smaller and smaller die. Now, a lot of people think that, oh, that means I get a faster clock speed or a faster processor or more capabilities. But it means more than that, because in the process of shrinking the die and creating greater performance, you're also getting greater performance at lower electrical consumption. And for those of you, again, that maybe do not have a technical background, we liken virtualization to carpooling. Right? Historically, when people went to have their network set up and so forth, they would be recommended to buy 1, 2, or 3 servers, each doing their own job. Much the same as 1 or 2 or 3 commuters going to the same city, all driving their cars and consuming the gas from their vehicle to go to the same place. What the industry basically began to develop with the leadership of Intel Corporation is a concept where we could now take those more power efficient and smaller CPUs and systems and allow to create a virtualization or a sharing of resources among different functions. Hence the carpooling example. So if we look at a parallel analogy, from 1910 to 1970, the auto industry was focusing on horsepower. From 1970 to 1985, fuel economy. From 1985 to 2005, horsepower and utility. From 2005 to today, fuel economy. Especially now with the problems with the price of oil having shot up in the summer. Comparatively, commercial computing, 60 years of development. From 1950 to 2003, Moore's Law. More power, horsepower, faster systems, and so forth. From 2003 to today, though, the entire industry, unregulated, not forced, not by any economic or fiscal sanction or what have you, simply self-regulated, has focused on energy and resource economy in terms of virtualization, in terms of shrinking the footprint, reducing the power consumption, and making the systems more efficient. So virtualization, again, the simplest example, carpooling, a great way to save cost because you don't have to buy 3 or 4 servers. Electricity, because you don't have 3 or 4 servers that you need to power. And less servers means less equipment to dispose of at the end of life. So a very good strategy, very effective, very easy to measure strategy in terms of containing costs. Everything from a library system, depending on your archives or your financial systems, what have you. Great way to take concrete steps in the way of reducing your consumption.